Hello, we are Hempel company. We are the manufacturer of wood-turning machines and retrofitted other company like Loccateli. And we have developed a new PLC for CC copia MK CC machines. On this project, we had changed every electronics card, PLC system, motor for moving axis, driver, and other things. But the mechanical stay exactly the same. I can show you different things that we have changed. We replace the old carriage motor, a CC motor, by a Siemens brushless motor. Without a start button and start contact. So we have to change the operator panel. That one is a tactile panel from Siemens' KDP 900 from Siemens. So we changed the old PLC with Siemens, a new Siemens ET200 TS system with output card. And we put drives for the spindle motor and insert a new drive for the brushless motor. The type is V90. All system is programming with software TIA Portal version 18. So I can explain you the different panel. You have different mode, 2 manual mode, 2 setting up mode, one mode for automatic system and one for series, and the other one is when you want to save, load or delete a program. And for example, you press F1, you can recognize chariot is a carriage, serrage is clamping, yeah. And this value that you show here is a different position of the carriage when you want to stop to the left or to the right. And you can add a different speed, return speed, slowly speed, and normal speed. F1 and F2 is panel to move by hand all units. You can see the 3 back knives unit, the spindle, and this machine has optionally in the drill system. And that one is a clamping system on the loading device. This menu, you can choose different operations that you can have in automatic mode. For example, you can unclamp to the left, you can unclamp to the right, you can choose if you want the clamping on the loading device, you can choose if you unclamp manually or automatically. That one you can choose if you want to use the boring unit and with a different step, and to stop the drilling unit in the front if you want the time. Okay, that one is you can unload at a distance that you choose. You can start the spindle you can choose the distance. For example, I want to start the spindle at 450 millimeters for the carriage, if you want. It's an example. And that one is an option if you want that the third copying system work when the carriage back. This page is setting up the copying unit and the back knives unit. Here you select which copier you want to use. You can use the thirds together. You can choose, and you can choose the position enter and out on the template. Same thing with the back knives. You can choose the back knives, and you can choose here if you want to stop the carriage when the back knives move down. Here is a page, the main page to use the machine in automatic mode. That one is the start. That one is end of cyclus, and you can see different LEDs that they show you what is the position of different units. This one is the position of the carriage. You can see different speed for the carriage, rotation, avance, or spindle rotation. That is a counter. This page shows you you can save, I think, 20 programs different. Each program you can load, save, and delete. For example, program 1, it's all value that you use for this program. Service page is you have a different solution to use machine in automatic. You can see here the load of the carriage. You can see here if your tools doesn't cut very well, and that one is a switch to use the spindle continuously, never stop. And this one is to use the brake of the spindle. And this system, because this machine doesn't use a reference point. Every time the reference 0 position is always in the top of the model. It's not necessary to put a reference point each time that you switch on the machines. Automatically the machine recognizes the 0 point. Yes, we have developed TIA Portai version 18 for all CC copia machines and option, because different machines has different option, and this program is universal, and we can easily add onto old machines. It's necessary to change mainly the motor, brushless motor, puppeteer operator, and all PLC program with input and output.